Welcome back to Dad Deals. Here we have the next parking lot sale over at Harbor Freight. This is going to be your October parking lot sale, and we have the full ad here to break down. So definitely stay tuned. Now, this parking lot sale is going to kick off on Monday, October 6th for Inside Track Club members. They're going to get early access till Thursday, October 9th, and then everyone else can join in on Friday, October 10th through Sunday, October 12th. So you got about 3 weeks until this takes place. So if you have any big purchases coming up, definitely stay tuned to this video and make sure it's not going to go on sale. With that out of the way, I don't want to waste any more time. Let's just get right into the ad here. So like usual, there are 4 main discount categories right on the front page here. You're going to have 20% off all of their US General carts and cabinets. So that includes things like the 5-drawer, that's extremely popular, even the 4-drawer, your service carts, your super large cabinets, everything under that US General brand. That's a storage cart or cabinet will be 20% off. Now, that's not a huge discount. I wish that discount was a little bit larger. If you take something like that very popular 5-drawer mechanics cart, that retails at $280, so 20% off that. Doing some quick math, it's going to take about $56 off and put you at $224. Now, that's not a great price for that 5-drawer cart. You can often during these sales get that below $200, but maybe some of those larger cabinets that rarely go on sale, that's what I would be targeting with this discount. Next up, we have 25% off all of their Bauer corded power tools. So everyone out there that comments that they hate battery powered tools and they always stick to the corded brands, you're going to be satisfied with this sale. But it is a bummer not to see this include all of those awesome Bauer battery tools, or maybe even a buy a tool, get a battery free deal. But still a nice discount here, 25% off all of the corded tools under the Bauer brand. Next up, we have 35% off all of the pliers and screwdrivers. Now, this is across all their brands. You got Bremen, Doyle, Icon, Pittsburgh, and Quinn listed here. That pretty much covers them all. And I think that's a pretty nice discount, 35% off, especially any Icon pliers or screwdrivers you might be after is a nice discount. Now, one note here, it does say it excludes bolt cutters, so just keep that in mind. And then the last one here is 50% off all of their Thunderbolt batteries. That is their top of the line batteries that they sell. Those should rival the Energizers and Duracells out there. And they pretty much have every type of battery under that Thunderbolt brand. So 50% off there is a nice discount. Now, it does say it excludes the Thunderbolt solar batteries, so those are not included in this. But your AA, AAA, C, watch batteries, all that stuff is included. All right, with sort of those 4 main categories out of the way, let's go back up to the top and check out sort of the bargain bin, the first bargain bin items here. You have a 10-pack of your Bauer metal cutoff wheels at $4.42. You got that Warrior angle grinder at just $12. Some Hardy work gloves at just under $3. Some step drill bits here at $10. And a 1/2-inch drive impact deep socket set at $20. So pretty usual stuff here. Nothing too crazy at the top of this ad. Coming on down here to the bottom half of the first page, we have the Badlands ZXR 12,000 pound winch. It's going to be $70 off at $280. You also have that Predator gas-powered auger at $175. The Omni Pro 220 Vulcan welder is going to be $850. The Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack is going to be $99 or $100. That's a nice price. That's $70 off the normal price. Another nice deal here is the Avanti airless paint and stain sprayer. This is the one that comes on the cart. You have that lightweight handle that has the hose where you have the heavy part that gets to stay down on the cart, which is really nice. This is $50 off at $200. And then you have the generator here. This is the Predator 5000 watt. This is the dual fuel, so propane or gas powered. And it's the inverter super quiet generator with remote start at $800. That's a great price. We are kind of getting out of hurricane season. It's been a pretty weak season this year, so that might be why they're discounting some of these generators. And I also like how this one comes on those 4 wheels, so it's easy to wheel around as well. And then some more of those discount items here at the bottom. You have your pop-up camping lantern here at $3.30. A moving blanket at $5. That liquid transfer pump we see on sale all the time is at $7. That's kind of the normal price for it. You have your 1,000 pound capacity hardwood dollies at $13, and then your 14-piece fully polished combination wrench sets at $18. All right, on page 2, we have some more of the bargain bin items up here. We have the titanium drill bit set, a 29-piece set here at $12. You also have a multimeter at $5. Some super glue 3-packs, 96 cents. That's going to be cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Your 7 mil gloves, a 50-pack at $7. That's 50% off. And you can get even over 50% off, 53% off the 9mm gloves at just under $8. So nice prices on these gloves. Whenever you can get them half off, that's a good time to stock up. Another generator here, this is the 4550 watt. This is the open frame version of their inverter generator, and that's going to be $580. You get a nice handle with that. And then you have this nice compact version. This is the 2500 watt inverter generator, super lightweight, great to take maybe camping with you, something like that, very portable at $500. Down here, you have the foldable solar panel. This is the 100 watt version, so this is a smaller version that works great with their power stations. You can use it with any power station, doesn't have to be a Predator one. And this is on sale for $115. Now, I don't think that's a great price. The thing when it comes to solar panels is you really want to stay around $1 a watt. So $115 there for a 100 watt solar panel is a little bit high in my opinion. And then also from Predator, you have their chipper shredder. This is the heavy duty gas powered version. So great for fall cleanups. And this is $480. Back up here a little bit, we have the full motion TV wall mount up to an 80-inch TV, supports 130 pounds, and it's 25% off at $30. And then here's a great deal right here. This is the 1200 watt handheld steam cleaner. Did a whole review video on this. Still use mine and still love it. This is a steal at just $20. That is 50% off the normal price. I'm not sure if I've ever seen it that low. So that is a great pickup right there. Down here at the bottom, we have some Portland. Those are sort of their budget outdoor lawn equipment line of tools. And here we have the electric pole saw at $50. Kind of the pros and cons of this one. Pros is it's very lightweight. Cons is you do have to run an extension cord out to where you're going to be cutting those branches. You also have their gas powered chainsaw here. This is the 18-inch version at $150. And then their pressure washer, did a whole review video on this as well. If you want to go check it out, this is going to be $70. That's usually about the target price for this. We see it often on sale, but that is a good price. Down here, we have their dump cart. Now, this is one of the first items I got at Harbor Freight. It is a beast to put this together, so prepare yourself. You're probably going to be doing it for a few hours at least. But it is a really nice trailer cart if you have a riding lawnmower or something like that, ATV. And this is a great price, $110. It's been a long time since I've seen it at that price. Next up, we have the ultrasonic parts cleaner from Central Machinery at $140. A 700-pound capacity hand truck here at $50. A 100-foot 12-gauge outdoor extension cord at $55. And then some other bargain bin items down here. We have the medium Apache case at $20. That's a great deal right there, 33% off. You have your all-purpose silver tarp at $17. The silver tarps are their heavy-duty version, and I think they perform really well. You also have a hammer here at $17, a 50-pack of shop towels at just under $8, and then also the 4-pack of their foam mat set at just under $8 as well. These are great for putting under a tent or even one of those inflatable pools. It just gives a nice squishy floor for a pretty cheap price. All right, page number 3, the bargain bin items up top here is the wheel chalk for just under $5. Your Chinese-made American flag at $5. The U.S. General magnetic glove and tissue dispenser, love this thing. This is going to be $10. That's a great price. A 3-pack of the hex shank socket driver sets are going to be just under $2. And then your mini pick and hook sets are just going to be 99 cents. Down here in the jack section, first up, we have the 30% off all of their Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands. Now, these go on sale all the time. You should really never buy these when they're not on sale. I'm not sure if there's ever been a sale ad that I've covered that didn't have these on sale. But then over here, we have the 4-ton professional floor jack. That's $100 off at $170. A nice price there. Some Icon diagnostic sets. This is the diagnostic scanner at $800. You have their screw extractor set, a 25-piece set at $48. Some more jacks under the Pittsburgh brand. Here's the racing floor jack at $130. Your 2-ton low profile at $90. And your 2-ton compact trolley jack at $30. They also have the 1-ton foldable shop crane here at $230. And then this is a really nice tire inflator to keep with you in your car or truck. You also have an integrated LED light on it, has a nice carry handle to it, and it's 22% off at $35. Those colder temperatures are here, so your car's battery, if it's got some age to it, it's going to start struggling. Here we're from Syntec. We have this automatic battery charger and engine jump starter at $140, sort of a shop version of it. You also have the Maddox ball joint service kit at $55 and some Viking portable jump starters and battery chargers and maintainers. That jump starter that can also be used as a power bank, has 2,000 peak amps to it, is going to be $100. And then your battery charger and maintainer will be $30. The bargain bin items down here, we have some electrical tape. Not the greatest electrical tape, trust me. This is a 10-pack at $5. There's a reason why it's that cheap. You also have some fiberglass hammers here at $4. The jumbo bike hooks, I absolutely love these things. This is how I store on my bikes. Super cheap, super easy to install. It's just 99 cents. That's an excellent price. It's a great way to store a bunch of bikes vertically and get them out of the way. You also have the high performance UV safety glasses at just under $3 and the 18-inch telescoping magnet at $2. A little bit smaller hardwood dolly than what was on that front page. This one's just $7.76. You have some fighter starters here at just over $1. The 450 Braun rechargeable pen light's going to be $14. You have those sticky solar security lights at $8. Great for putting around trash bins or around sheds, anything like that. And then a 12-piece of your bungee cord is going to be $4.38. Some more winches on sale here. Here's your 12,000-pound synthetic rope version at $500. They also have some smaller winches. Here's the 5,000-pound UTV winch with the automatic load holding brake at $150. And then your 2,500-pound is going to be $70. An LED trailer light kit here at $28. And then check out this is the Badland 1.5-ton off-road jack with the rapid pump and a descent control feature at $240. That's $40 off the normal price. Some welding equipment down here on sale. I'm not a big welder, but here we have the Flux 125 welder at $90. The welding cart at $35. Some helmets on sale. The professional multi-process welder at $450, and then your Easy Flux 125 amp welder at $120. They also have that popular welding table with all your accessories at $160, and then another welding helmet here at $75. More bargain bin items down here. We have some welding wire at $15, some wire wheels at $4, a drill press vise at $17, some D-ring anchors, a 2-pack here at $2, and some cheap safety glasses at just under $1. All right, page number 5 here. We're almost to the end. This is a long ad. Up top here, we have the 17-piece accessory kit. It's going to be 40% off at $6.70. You have your gravity feed air spray gun at $9, some drop cloths at $7, rubber swivel casters at $4, and that common Harbor Freight tape measure. You can often get this as a free item at just under $2. Some air compressors and air tools are also going to be on sale, starting with the Fortress 27-gallon, 200 PSI high performance vertical style air compressor at $350. This one's not the ultra quiet version, but it is 50% quieter, they claim, than most other air compressors. So you are getting some of that quiet technology with it. You also have nice big wheels down at the bottom. As far as the ultra quiet compressors go, they have both the hot dog style and the very portable version down here. That hot dog style is going to be a 10-gallon, 175 PSI air compressor at $250. And then the very small 2-gallon ultra portable 135 PSI air compressor at $170. The McGraw brand is really your budget option here. Here we have the 21-gallon vertical air compressor at $250. And then they're either hot dog or pancake compressors, 3-gallon, 110 PSI rated at $55. Here's a great deal on the Bauer Brad nailer. Now this is tool only. You will need to have a battery on hand, but it's just $80. That's got to be one of the cheapest battery powered Brad nailers on the market anywhere. You also have just your air powered version. Here's the Banks 2-in-1 Brad nailer. Can also do crown staples at $24. Your Earthquake 1/2-inch composite ultra torque air impact wrench is $130. Your Union electronic safe is going to be $100. The extra large Apache case is going to be $45, a nice price there. That's available in 5 colors now. And then your Pittsburgh sort of basic homeowners tool set, 130-piece set here at $30. The bargain bin items down here with the 50-foot PVC rubber hybrid air hose at $20, some suction cup lifters at 98 cents, your 12-pack of microfiber cleaning cloths at just under $4, some very cheap 2-inch chip brushes at 34 cents, and then your 20-bin small parts organizer at $6. All right, and this is the last page. This is page number 6. Now, I will obviously link to this full ad in the description below so you can browse it whenever you'd like. But starting up here, we have the bargain bin items. We have the 10-inch pneumatic tires with the white hubs at $5, your 4-pack magnetic hook set at $3, your 1-inch chip brushes at 29 cents, your 6-inch magnetic parts holders at $1.88, and then your 4-pack of the microfiber cloths at just under $2. Hercules not going to be left out of this sale. We have the job site table saw with the rack and pinion fence, which is a nice upgraded feature there. That's going to be $330. You also have the variable speed bandsaw at $140, the thickness planer at $350, your 1/2 inch impact wrench at $50, and then the surface conditioning tool is going to be $90. They also have their very cheap miter saw. This is on the Admiral brand, and this is even a sliding compound miter saw, and it's going to be $200. They also have their Doyle swivel vise at $150. And then your last items here, we have the Icon shop seat at $80. That's a great price. I love mine. I've had mine for a while now, and that's one of the lowest prices that it has been. You also have the Pittsburgh low profile creeper at $25. Great price. Your Braun 10,000 lumen diamond plated LED hanging shop light at $33. Some Yukon storage shelves. We have the 5-tier shelf here at $40 and the hardwood workbench at $150. Your 20-ton shop press from Central Machinery is going to be $200. And then your final bargain bin items down here, we have the latex work gloves from Hardy at $1.38. You have that Harbor Freight extra large kind of IKEA knockoff bag at 77 cents. Unfortunately, that is still higher than the initial price that they offered these bags. I believe they're around 60 cents when they first came out, but they're still nice for carrying a bunch of stuff. They're really well made, just like an IKEA bag is. You have your 5-inch hook and loop sanding disc, a 15-pack here at $6. Some plastic folding sawhorses at $10, and then the magnetic tool holder at $1.84. So that's it. That's the whole ad. This is the October parking lot sale. We are really getting into that holiday shopping season. The Black Friday ads should be leaking soon, as well as all those other Black Friday ads. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll have all the ads from all the stores covered here on this channel, like I do every year. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you found it helpful, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.